Comparing top fans, Dyson, Vornado, and Lasko. Dual functionality, Purifier and fan. The Dyson Pure Cool TP04 stands out because it combines both air purification and cooling. It uses a HEPA filter to capture 99.97% of allergens, pollutants, and dust, while also circulating cool air. This is especially beneficial for people with allergies or respiratory issues, as it cleans the air while providing cooling relief. Smart features. The fan integrates with Amazon Alexa and has its own Dyson Link app for controlling settings and monitoring air quality remotely. It's an ideal option for those who enjoy smart home devices. Bladeless design. The bladeless technology is not only safer, especially around pets or children, but also quieter than traditional fans. The lack of blades also makes it easier to clean. Oscillation and coverage. The fan can oscillate 350 degrees, ensuring that air circulates evenly throughout the room, and it's designed to cool spaces up to 800 square feet, making it effective in large rooms. Sleek, modern design. The Dyson TP04 has a minimalist, contemporary look, so it blends easily with various home decors. Its design also reduces the risk of dust accumulation compared to more traditional fan models. High price. One of the most significant drawbacks is its high price, around $500 to $550. This makes it more expensive than most conventional fans, especially when you only need a cooling fan. Replacement filter costs. While the air purification system is great, the filters need to be replaced periodically, which can be costly, approximately every 12 months depending on usage. Large size. The fan is not particularly compact and might take up more space than smaller, tower fans or portable fans, which could be a concern in tight spaces. Limited cooling power. While it offers excellent air circulation, its cooling power is not on par with an air conditioner, so it may not be suitable for extremely hot environments or large rooms with poor ventilation. Vortex technology. The Vornado 633 uses vortex technology, which circulates air throughout the entire room rather than just blowing it in one direction. This provides more consistent and effective cooling in spaces up to 300 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. Quiet operation. Despite its powerful airflow, the fan operates quietly, especially on lower settings. This makes it a good choice for bedrooms or workspaces where you don't want a loud, distracting noise. 3-speed settings. The fan offers low, medium, and high-speed settings, giving you flexibility to adjust the airflow based on room size and temperature. Compact design. At only 10.5 inches tall, the Vornado 633 is relatively compact and can fit easily into smaller spaces. It's lightweight and easy to move around. 5-year warranty. Vornado offers a solid 5-year warranty, ensuring durability and customer satisfaction. It's reassuring for those investing in a product that is expected to last. Not an air conditioner. While the vortex technology circulates air well, it doesn't actually cool the air, so it may not be effective in extremely hot environments or for cooling down large rooms on very hot days. Limited room coverage. This fan is ideal for rooms up to 300 square feet, meaning it may not be sufficient for larger living spaces, open concept areas, or shared spaces like living rooms and kitchens. Basic design. While functional, the Vornado 633 is not as sleek or stylish as other more modern fan options, such as the Dyson or certain tower fans. It has a more utilitarian, traditional look. Airflow can be strong on high speeds. On the highest setting, the airflow can be quite strong, and it might be more than what some users prefer for quieter environments. High power and performance. The Lasko 20-inch high-velocity fan is known for its ability to move large volumes of air, making it great for cooling large rooms, garages, basements, or workshops. It delivers powerful airflow with its 3-speed settings, low, medium, and high, making it effective even in warmer climates. Adjustable tilt *, the fan head tilts, allowing you to adjust the airflow direction to suit your needs. This feature makes it versatile for cooling specific areas, such as directing airflow towards a couch or workbench. Durable construction * made with a metal body, this fan is built for durability, making it suitable for heavy-duty use, including industrial or workshop environments. Its sturdy build means it's likely to last longer than many plastic fans. Portable *. Despite its larger size, the Lasko 20-inch fan has a carry handle for easy portability, making it convenient to move from one room to another or to take outside for use on patios. Affordable * compared to other powerful fans, the Lasko 20-inch is very affordable, generally priced around $60 to $70. It offers great value for the airflow and build quality. Noise * Due to its high velocity, this fan can be quite noisy, especially on the higher speed settings. If you're sensitive to noise or need a fan for a quiet bedroom or study, this may not be the best option. Bulkier design * While it's portable, the fan is larger and bulkier compared to sleek tower fans or smaller personal models. It may not be ideal for tight spaces or for people who prefer compact, space-saving options. Not ideal for small rooms, its high-powered airflow is great for large areas, but it might be overkill for smaller rooms. In tight spaces, it could create too much airflow, making it uncomfortable or too cold for some people. Limited features * Unlike more advanced models, like Dyson or Vornado, the Lasko 20-inch fan lacks any additional features such as oscillation control or smart home compatibility. It's a simple, no-frills fan with limited customization. Dyson Pure Cool TP04 is the best option if you want a high-tech, multifunctional fan that also purifies the air. However, its high price and large size may not make it the best fit for everyone. Vornado 633 is a great choice for whole room circulation at an affordable price. It's quieter and more compact, but might not be sufficient for large or extremely hot rooms. Lasko 20-inch high-velocity fan is perfect for those who need a powerful, durable fan for large spaces or industrial settings, but the noise level and bulkiness could be drawbacks for some. Your choice will depend on whether you prioritize air purification, room circulation, or raw power for cooling.